Hey guys, my name is Sudeshna and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, Hey guys, my name is Sudeshna and welcome back to my channel. So it's 2019, Happy New Year guys. So I wanted my first video of 2019 to be very simple, just to sit down and chat with you guys, because to be honest, I overthought this video so much that I just got really nervous, because I was like, oh my god, it's going to be the first video of 2019, it has to be something big, exciting, motivating or something like that, and I just overthought it so much in my head that I just got very nervous and honestly just went completely blank, and that's why last week you didn't see any videos, and I'm really sorry about that. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorites for this season, and when I say season, I mean for winter season, fall, winter, whatever. So basically I make favorite videos twice a year. I make once for spring, summer and another one for fall, winter. And since winter is still going on, obviously we have winter at least till the end of January, or for some people even till the end of Feb. So there are a few products that I've been trying, I've been loving so much, and it's been really helping me in this winter season. So I just wanted to share with you guys, because if you are struggling with a few of these things that I struggled during winter season, then this might really help you. So first we're going to start off with makeup beauty section. So let's get started. So the first product is this one. This is the Maybelline New Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. So I have very dry skin, and during winter it gets even more drier. No matter how much moisturizer I use, twice a day, thrice a day, no matter how hydrated I keep it, when you have those lines and sometimes your foundation or primer can tend to settle in those lines, so just to prevent that, I use this primer, and this has just been amazing. The application process and everything is just so smooth after that, like literally so smooth. I love this primer. So next we have a highlighter. I've put it over here, I've put it on my nose, on my forehead, on my cheeks and everywhere. I absolutely love this highlighter. So this is the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter. It's called Golden Lights. This might look silvery, but to my surprise, when you actually, smudge it and apply it on your face, it gives this nice golden highlight instead of a silver highlight. And I feel like a golden highlight suits Indian skin tones a lot more better than a silvery highlight. I will obviously link all of these in the description box below, so you guys can go and check it out. Also, I feel like I should say this, that this is not sponsored by any of the brands that I'm going to be showing here today. So these are the two lip shades that I've been consistently using all throughout the past 2-3 months. The first one is the Try Sugar Brink of Pink. That's the one that I'm having on my lips right now. Whenever, like every single time without fail, whenever I put on this lipstick in any of my videos, everyone asks what I'm wearing, and it's Brink of Pink by Try Sugar. I absolutely love this color. It's such a nice, beautiful, bold pink. Whenever I take pictures, my lips look really nice in this lipstick, so I just wear it so much. So the last product, this is the NYX soft matte lip cream. This is in the shade Copenhagen. This is another shade that people ask about whenever I wear it. Such a beautiful winter shade, and I just am always drawn to it. It does stay on for a very long time, unless you eat. So that's the only time you might have to touch it up in a few of the spots, but other than that, it stays on the entire day and it doesn't budge or move. So I love this product. So those were all the beauty products. Now we're going to move on to some skincare. A lot of new things that I tried this year, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. So the first one is actually very unexpected for me, and it's the YLG Brightening Cold Wax Strips. So these are wax strips for your body and for your face. So very recently I have started waxing my upper lips. Before this, I used to never wax my upper lips. I used to always let it be. Yes, YLG did send it to me, but they sent it back in Diwali, so they have no idea that I'm even talking about their product in my videos. To be honest, I can't really say that this is the best wax strip for my face because this is the only one that I've tried, but they have just worked really well on my face. I just have to like rip it out once and almost all of my hair from the upper lip area is gone. So this is what they look like. I only have, I think, the body strips left. I actually don't wax my body. I generally shave my legs and arms. Okay guys, turns out I have one face wax strip left. So I just thought that I'll quickly show you guys. This is how it looks and this is what I use on my upper lips. So yeah, my upper lip area gets like completely red and they're just so sensitive. So just to cool it down, I immediately apply an aloe vera gel. So this is again the YLG aloe vera gel intense with lavender oil and vitamin E. I use this one and it has just been such a nice savior. It instantly cools my upper lips and helps reduce the redness a lot quicker. So next product that I have is this one. So this is an body oil by VLCC. So this is the 10-in-1 skin enhance oil, and I just use it every single night before I go to bed. I apply it on my legs and my arms. So instead of moisturizer, I've been using this, and as you can see, I've used up like this much and I still have a lot to go. I love that it comes with this pump type of thing because sometimes when you take your oil out like that, it can get quite messy, and it's a non-sticky type of oil, so it almost feels like water. I tend to break out a lot more during this season. So this is by the brand called Botanic Love. It's an anti-acne and blemish face mask. So I try to use it once a week or once every 2 weeks, because I also use other masks, so I might not get to use it as much, but I love using it as a spot treatment. I just use it directly on the spot areas and I keep it overnight. In the morning when I wash it off, like no joke, it literally reduces it by 50%. I've used half of it already. So this is a lip scrub. It actually looks like a lipstick, but it's a lip scrub by Kiko Milano. If I'm not wrong, this one retails for something 600 something. I love this product because it's very convenient to use. There's only this much product left. I've already used 3/4 of it, and that's my problem with this product, because as good as it is, it gets over, it exhausts very quickly. If you think about it that way, I guess that does make it kind of expensive because it is 600 something, but like literally it can get over so fast. So the last skincare product I have is bio oil. I absolutely love bio oil so much. So before I used to use bio oil for my body, but very recently I've started using it along with my foundation, and because I have dry skin, it just really works very well. I have like only this much left, and that's because I use it so much. So every time I apply foundation on my face, I just put 1 drop of bio oil with my foundation. I mix it and I put the foundation on my face, and it doesn't dry up my skin. So this has been such a nice little product, and the fact that it was already in my house, so it's amazing. I love this one. Those are all my skincare products. I will try and link all of them down in the description box below if I can find it, but let's move on to fashion. We are on our third category, which is fashion. So first we're going to start off with pair of earrings, which is very unexpected of me, because if you guys know me, then you know that I don't wear any earrings whatsoever. The one pair of earring that I've been wearing a lot is this one. So this is how they look like. They're so I think it has like a matte gold texture. I absolutely love that. I got this from Voila. I'm just being very lazy, but I do have to change my nail polish. Please ignore them. So the next piece of fashion that I have, that I've been wearing obsessively, and you guys will agree, are these Zara trousers. So yeah, if you guys watch my outfit of the week, especially the December one, you guys will know that I've worn this like I think at least 2 times in 1 week, and that's how obsessed I am with these trousers. It is slightly overpriced, but it's very worth it if I think of it in a way that I will get multiple use of it, and I actually do get multiple uses of it because I just wear it so much, and I can just pair it with different tops, If I can find it, I will definitely link it. The next piece of accessory that I have is this bag. So this bag, I actually got it on a very random visit to Miniso. Wrist attachment kind of thing, where you can just slip it in your wrist and you can actually carry it like this. But it also comes with a strap. I love the hardware and I get so much use out of this bag. Like literally it's filled with some things because I just used it yesterday. Okay guys, so speaking of accessories, another accessory that I've been absolutely loving are these two pendants. So this is a gold pendant that has like a lock like design on it, and this is just a silver pendant that has a tiny ring at the end. So this one is from Accessorize and this one I think is from Primark, if I'm not wrong. I've had them for a while now and I love wearing them together. Okay, so that's with accessories. Now let's move on to the footwear. Are you guys surprised looking at these nude heels? You really shouldn't be. I think if you look at my outfit of the weeks, not just in December, like November, October, whatever, ever since I got a pair of these nude heels, I have been wearing them excessively. I think it's Mast and Harbor, if I'm not wrong, but these are the perfect nude heels because it has nice block heels that are not very high. It has this like gold detailing, so it goes perfectly with Western as well as ethnic attires. The last pair of footwear and the last fashion accessory I have to show for you guys is this. I love this one. This one is from Charles & Keith. I actually got it on sale this year and it was such an amazing bargain. I love carrying just one footwear, one pair of flats, and I've been carrying these ones because they're just so comfortable. They're not too flat. I love the pearl detailing. So guys, those are all the things in my fashion category. Now we're going to move on to the last category, which is the entertainment section. The Chilling Adventures of Sabrina on Netflix. I absolutely loved that show. It's over. Season 1 came out in 2018 and it was such a good show. I think there were like 10 episodes, 13 episodes. I forgot, but it was such a nice show. It had like the perfect balance between comedy, slightly horror, not that much horror. It's not really like a ghost kind of horror. It's more like a supernatural kind of horror. If you guys haven't watched it, I would highly recommend. So my second favorite show that I absolutely loved is You. I just finished watching it, I think 2-3 days back, and I absolutely loved it. The ending was not what I expected or not what I wanted, but it's okay because the show was amazing. It has only 10 episodes. It's on Netflix and I highly recommend. You guys should definitely watch it. As you keep watching, you'll be like, okay, what's going to happen next? I need to know what's going to happen in the end. So yeah, it's a great show. Highly recommend. And the third and last show that I've been absolutely loving is actually a comedy and it's called The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. So this one is on Amazon Prime and I love this show so much. Season 1 came out in 2017 and season 2 came out in 2018. You know, when you hype up a show so much in your brain, it turns out to be a disappointment. I'm so glad this show did not disappoint. So yeah, it's such a hilarious show. It's available on Amazon Prime. This brings me to the end of this video. I hope you found this video helpful and you know, you guys would like to try out a few of the products or the shows that I mentioned here. Please give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys liked it and comment down below what you're looking forward to this year. And that's it guys. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already and hit that bell notification so that you guys are notified every time I upload a new video, which is Tuesday and Friday. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.